guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well. I am doing a W7 makeup giveaway. If you haven't checked the video out, please have a look and enter. Would be really cool. We are doing August Stitch Fix for today. I filled out my request and I asked for 3 midi dresses, a slogan t-shirt, and I also asked for some form of trousers. I asked for utility, casual flare trousers. So shall we see what they actually sent me? Stitch Fix, by the way, is a clothing subscription. It costs £10 a month for your styling stylist, and you get 5 clothing items. There is a small profile to fill out. You can request to have shoes and handbags and all that sort of stuff. I don't want the accessories, so I literally just have clothing items. So let's have a look and dive in and see what my stylist has picked for me. So this is what the box looks like inside. On the flap here it tells you what to do, how to do it, where to do it. You get bundles, you get some paperwork, which I always leave to the end. You also get a envelope, which you would use if you're returning any items that you don't want. That's a free of charge service. And inside we have what we call our bundle. So some bits and bobs of colours and sort of stuff in there. So let's open and have a look, see what I've got this time. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of the paper. It's very noisy. Right, the first item I see is a, what is this? Okay, so it's like a t-shirt material. It is a, what I'd say, a dress. It's got some mad stuff going on at the bottom there. Not quite sure what that is all about. It feels just like t-shirt material, kind of stretchy. It's got a round neck, very see-through. It's got no sleeves. Oh, it has got actually, oh right, so it's got like this underneath. This is attached to this, so you won't be able to see through it. Does that make any sense whatsoever? It's quite difficult to show. Okay, well, I'll try it on and see how it looks. So I'm assuming that is a dress. The second piece is animal print. This is a dress. Okay, it's got little sleeves, buttoned down all the way down, and it's also got a little tie belt. It's quite flowy, and I would say this is a midi length. Okay, of course trying that on. And then we have, this is, what's this? Right, okay, this is a little top, which is in black. It's got these sort of sleeves, and at the back it's got some sort of like, can you see that, guys, where you can tie it at the back to pull in the waist, I guess. Or is it? No, it just pulls in the back. It's quite a thick material, quite heavy, so try that. And then we have a t-shirt. I like this. What are they on there? These are like little stones, jewels, stones. Not sure how well that would wash. I like the pattern, that's nice. I like that. That's probably my favourite item so far, just looking at what I've got so far. And then we have a very large white top. This is my least favourite item, but let's try it on, reserve judgment. Okay, so that is what I have in my Stitch Fix. So I will try this lot on and get back to you with my try on part of the video. So I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so we are here with the first outfit. It's this little dress. I have to say this was quite awkward to try and get on. It's causing me a couple of issues. Right, where do we start with this then? So it's like a t-shirt material. It's got ruching here. Don't know if you guys can pick that up. It's got one side longer than the other. I'm not sure I like this, guys, to be honest. If it was this length here, all the way round, probably would have loved it. But because it's got this, whatever, yeah, I just don't think it looks very flattering on me, to be honest. The t-shirt underneathy thing comes to about there, and as I'm walking, it keeps like riding up, so I have to keep pulling it down. So for that reason, this is probably not going to be a keeper. I'm not loving it. I'm not even sure I like it, to be honest. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Do you think I suit this? Does it look flattering? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Right, next outfit. See you in a minute. Hi guys, so we're back with the second outfit. This is the second dress from Stitch Fix. I have to say I really like this on. It looks better on than off. I thought it would be too flowery, but it's not. It's just exactly right. I like the feel of it. I like the style of it. It's very comfortable. I like the length. I like everything about this, guys. I can't actually criticise this whatsoever. This is definitely something I would grab for. It's easy to wear, and like I say, it's very, very comfortable. I really do like it. Tell me what you think, guys. Do you see what I see? Do you think it looks great on me? If you can hear her hiccuping, sorry, it's the cameraman. He has a slight case of hiccups, so you're probably going to hear him hiccuping throughout this video, so apologies there. But yeah, I feel like this is really nice. I feel like it does give me a bit of a figure. Thumbs up from me. I love this dress. Okay, hang fine. I'm back with the third outfit. Hi guys, so here we are with the first top. This is totally me. I really actually like this. I've paired it with my own leather look trousers with a pair of booties. Back to the top. It does have some sort of textured, which are falling off. I would be worried about actually washing this. Might be a hand wash jobby, but I like the lightning bolt. I think it's really cute. It's my style, and I like it. So thumbs up from me. Hi guys, so here we are with the second little top. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this one. I didn't think I was going to kind of like it, but I actually do. I think the length of it is just perfect. There's some sort of tie-up thing here to cinch in. Well, I thought it was kind of like the waist, but actually I don't want to use it, so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I like the sleeve area. I like the material. Very good quality, very good fit. Don't know what else I can say about it apart from I really do like it. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll be back with the last outfit, last top. Hi guys, so this is the last top. This one I'm not so keen on, and just to let you know, there was actually a little black mark here. I didn't do, in case there's any issues with returning this. I think possibly the next size down would probably look a little bit better. I did try it with these trousers to do a front tuck, but because these trousers are quite high up, it just kind of didn't look right. Just go longer at the back. It's got this scalloped edge here with a little pocket here. Easy to wear. I mean, it's really comfortable. It's just, it's not my style. But I like it, it's just not for me. Okay, so that is the Stitch Fix try on. I will take this off and we'll go through prices in a minute. Hi guys, so we're back with the final part of my video. This is where we go through what I'm going to keep, what I'm not going to keep, and pricing. So inside your envelope you get your paperwork, you get a styling card with all the pieces that they send you and how to style them with things that you may already have in your wardrobe, which I always think is a good idea, but I never use them. I do have a new stylist. Her name is Holly, and to let you know that if you use my link that I will leave in the description, you'll get £15 off your first order and I get £15 off my orders. So, you know, it's a win-win, so please feel free to use the link. Okay, and our next piece of paperwork will be the invoice with all the prices, and let's have a look and see what's what. So first item is this is by Selected Femme. This was the black little top with the detailing at the back there. Let you tie up at the back. That's a size 16, and it's £45. Next we have this black midi dress. That is by All Saints. It's black, it's in the size large, £68. Then we have the lightning bolt t-shirt. This is by Mint Velvet. That's in a large and that is £45. We then have the white top. That's by Warehouse. That would size 16, £26. And then we have the Shattered Heart midi dress, size 16. That's by Oasis and that is £48. So the whole lot comes to £232 minus 20% discount, which is £46.40, which is a total of £185.60. If you keep anything, minus the £10 styling fee, which takes it to £175.60. So I feel like this is a really, really expensive box. I have requested that we kind of try and keep it to as near as £150 as possible. The only thing that I can say, well, I like the t-shirt, but I don't know if I can justify £45 for a t-shirt. I don't think so. And I did like the this dress. That was £48 from Oasis. So chances are I probably will keep this dress out of the whole lot. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the pieces. Don't forget, please leave me your comments. I always enjoy looking at comments and answering. That's about it. So if you'd like to see more videos from yours truly, click on that one or that one. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that one. Until we speak in my next video, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Mwah.